Today is Wednesday, and that's time for you to check your equipment. Today, we're going to be talking about safety vest and why you should consider this to be an essential item in your drone operations. Well, I always wear a safety vest for my commercial operations, and sometimes I'll wear it for the recreational operations when I'm around people that don't know what I'm doing. If I'm in my backyard or I'm in a vacant field, I might not wear my vest. But if I'm doing a commercial operation, I definitely have one on. I like to wear it because it signifies that I am the pilot. It also has prevented me from having to address questions on site from individuals that just walk up. There was one time I was flying, and literally the parking lot was about 100 yards in both directions, to the left and to the right. And all of a sudden, a guy pulled up his car behind me and started asking me if I wanted to race my drone against his. Never saw him coming. That's how involved I get with my operation. So an orange safety vest basically kind of keeps people away from me, which is really good when I'm trying to perform my operations to the best of my ability. It elevates my professionalism on the site too. I think it's an essential part of your uniform for drone operations. Now, you can go online and you can purchase one, and my bright orange vest says I'm an FAA licensed pilot, which is kind of funny because I'm actually a certified remote pilot, not licensed. And I've had some representatives of the FAA come up to me and they say that they don't like me wearing the FAA licensed pilot orange vest because it kind of connotates that I work for the FAA, and I don't. I'm on the FAA safety team as a representative, but I don't work for the FAA. So, I think I'm going to go out and purchase another drone orange safety vest, maybe have my company logo put on the back of it. That way I don't have to worry about that kind of situation ever occurring with the FAA again.